young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. Yes, I know my bed is not made up and it's been a very long day, but I had to come on here and give you guys this really cute review on this curly girl unit. So this is actually from a company called Cenhiee on Amazon. They hit me up and asked me that I wanted to do this, and I definitely graciously agreed to. I actually took it upon myself to do some artistic liberties to this unit. So yes, this is actually the unit. It's in a real pretty copper color. I have mine in 20 inches. Of course, you guys already know. The link will be down below. But fun fact, this unit actually looks like this when I first got it. So it's actually a water wave unit, and all I did was wand curl it to give it a little bit more fluff and a little bit more frou-frou. You guys know I love big hair, especially when it's like big and just luxurious. So believe it or not, that this is a lace wig. This is a T-part unit, so it is a permanent middle part, so it's perfect for any person that's a beginner wig wearer. This particular unit only comes in this color right now, but I thought she was perfect for fall. This was something to really start off the fall vibes, you know. I actually, I adore this unit. Like, isn't she cute? Like I said, she's 20 inches. This is actually 20 inches curled. So she is a little bit longer, especially when you get her wet. She's a little bit longer. But like I said, she is water wave. And sometimes it's actually really, really hard to find water wave that's in this curl pattern. But nevertheless, of course, like I said, I got this from Amazon. She was actually very, very reasonable. So of course, if you guys want to know how to cop this unit, it will be down below. This unit is big head friendly. I'm going to repeat that. It is big head friendly. It did have lace from ear to ear, and then of course, like, it has the lace part in the area, so you are not able to move this wig unless you were to adjust it and all that onto your head to do a side part. But me personally, I knew I was going to keep this as a real pretty center part, and I thought she came out really, really cute. Like, she's perfect for like date night. I'm gonna go get drinks. She's cute for just jeans and t-shirt type of unit. That's literally what I had on, was a crop tank and some high-waisted jeans, and that was pretty much my look for the day. So it pretty much came out looking something like this. Very cute, you know, nothing crazy, nothing outlandish or anything, but it was just very cute, very chill. And then it's like, this is summertime hair and it's considered fall time hair. Unfortunately, I just couldn't wait till fall, so I gave y'all pre-fall hair. But yes, I love this unit. I actually love the color of the unit. I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of wish I would have got it longer, but I actually kind of like the whole, you know, boho chic vibe. Y'all know I'm extra boho anyway, so it doesn't even matter. But yes, definitely cop this unit. It curled with no issue. I did use products. I used my Sebastian Hold spray to make sure that the curls actually stayed where they were supposed to, and it did exactly that. So if this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell to top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,